And so after that, I started something called VideoFort. And what VideoFort is it was a stock video footage company. So if you've heard of stock photos or stock videos, that's basically what we did. It was a media licensing company. So we had video clips. So we had the largest video footage library of animals in nature. So if you've ever seen Discovery Planet Earth, we owned all that footage. We owned the largest aerial footage library. So if you have an Apple TV and you see those screensavers, we did all those. So we had these digital products and we learned how to sell digital products, media licensing.